How's it going, guys? Hey, my name is Brian, originally from Jamaica, but living in the States for over 10 years now, in Georgia, place called Hinesville. Before I even get started, man, I gotta big up the Forex Beginners Academy. Shout out to you guys, man. You guys are awesome. You guys put a wonderful course together. Trust me, like it couldn't get any better than that. My journey, I actually started learning Forex about 4 months ago, and I used to just scroll through YouTube videos, getting bits of pieces there and here and there and stuff like that. But I know deep down within myself that no way, there is way more to it, way more to Forex than just this. So I would go on the demo and try some stuff, and I saw results. Sometimes I lost, but deep down I know that I'm still missing something. So I paid for a course. I think it was at that time was $80, and this guy had a one candlestick strategy. He said, you could make money within a couple seconds, in which it works because he was showing the video of him doing all of that stuff. It works, but I said, okay, let's give it a try. Pay for the course, go through his course. I still say to myself, I'm still missing something. So I actually went live, and man, I lost money, man. I lost money. That I can't even say, man. I lost money trying to do this one candlestick strategy. And I said to myself, it's not just watching a one candlestick going up and then retrace and click a buy or a sell. And I know there's way more than that, but I guess some people just teach a little piece right here, want you to come for more so you could actually pay for more courses. I'm like, you know what, I'm gonna quit this, because like I wasn't getting nowhere. So eventually I was in this group and I saw this, I think it was a female, and I messaged her and I said, what strategy are you using? And then she told me, and I was talking to her. I said, man, I'll be getting so much L's and I don't even know what to do. And she was like, can I send you a link with a free course? I said, sure, no problem. So she sent me the link, and as soon as she sent me the link, I signed up, went on it, and I start watching it from beginning. And the first lesson is like, I'm like, these guys are really good. The way all you guys break down stuff, even showing how to download MetaTrader 4, how to start your account and all that stuff. I mean, you guys break things down to the T. I learned so much. Support and resistance, Fibonacci. You couldn't even say Fibonacci to me, because it's like you were speaking Spanish. I didn't know nothing about Fibonacci. And as soon as I started watching the video and go through the courses and stuff like that, it's like I learned. So it's like, man, I learned. It's like you guys teach from the ground all the way up. Fibonacci, moving average, the trend lines and your channels, the mindset, the risk management and candlestick analysis, man, you name it, all that stuff. You even show me a lot of stuff on TradingView that I didn't even know, and how to set up a chart and go do the three different time frames pair on the TradingView. And like when I start watching all of that, and it makes so much sense to me, I'm like, you know what, man, I gotta take my hats off to you guys. Trust me, I haven't go live anymore as yet. I'm gonna rewatch these lessons, these courses, and until I actually feel 100%. Because from before I start watching this video, I was to myself, I was like, I know I just like probably 10%. I just understand a little bit, but I know there was a lot that I was missing. And ever since I watched you guys' video, I'm telling you, I'm all the way up to like 60% now. And the reason why I say 60% because I haven't really go on demo as yet and start doing all this stuff. I was just watching the video and gaining as much knowledge as I can. Then I'm going to start demo it. But like from 10 to 60, man, you guys are awesome. And then they have a private student group also. Like whenever you post anything, you could always count on them to get back a feedback. Like trust me, these guys they actually interact with you. And all I could say is this video helped me 100%, and I already recommend this video to like 2-3 persons already, and I will just keep on spreading the word. You guys are so awesome, and I really do appreciate you guys for making this video. Trust me, you don't even know how much I really appreciate this right now. Thank you so much.